Just don't.
Yeah.
This fight was lost.
No, he lost his second fight. So I'm not sure, to be honest. If he wins this, he's
Come on, John!
watch that triangle, keep that hand in, force that right arm in, force that right arm in.
Get your arm in, John!
Right arm through. Right arm through. Punch it through, John. Punch it through. Come on, that's it.
That's it.
That's it, John.
Come on.
Get that hand in.
Come on. Push it through. Push it through.
That's it, you.
Push it through.
Go on, John, you're in there.
Push that through. Push that through. Force it through. That's it.
That's it,
Go,
John.
John!
That's it. Ball pass. Keep your pace.
How did you not put the points on them?
Did advantage.
No points. Where's the point sign?
No, don't say that. The other guy would have got the points. Except for nearly putting the triangle on, you get an advantage. No, only to half guard. Only to half guard.
If he gets his foot out there, he'll get points on it.
The other guy should have got advantage for that triangle attempt because he made it. That's it. Now he. Oh, nearly. Pass that, John. Head up. Head up. Up.
Go on, John, you can do it.
Up. Watch that again, now. Watch that.
I want Chelsea. I don't really know Chelsea.
No,
I just repeat whatever he's saying.
You better not, because if you tell him the wrong thing,
yeah.
he'll never forgive you.
Well, if it's something wrong with him, I'll be walking in when I think he's walking down.
He'll be in the boot. How come, right? You're not, he's got a rash guard on and tights.
Yeah.
Whereas Andy was told to take his rash guard off, and yet he's allowed tights as well to get extra grip. Look for that triangle.
Yeah, that's a good point. Jesus.
Yeah, if you didn't have them tights on, he wouldn't have hold that, would he?
Well, yeah, he probably would, but he's going to get a little bit extra grip with him. Come on, JT, defend this. He's going to get another advantage here. This triangle.
Has he got an advantage there?
He will do.
It's there. It's in yellow, isn't it, I think?
Is it? Yeah. Yeah, it is. Yeah, it is. That looks like he's locking that on now. Come on, JT, defend that.
What do you do to get out of that? How to get out of that?
Well, he's all right. He's got both that. He's got to look up. He's got to push down on that. He's got to push down on, get both hands onto his left knee and pull it away from his body, and then pop his head up.
What if he stood up and get out of it?
If he stands up, then he's going to be, his head's going to be down because his bum will go up, his head will be down. It's not going to do him anything. He's all right there. He's all right there.
Keep going, John.
See, he's got his arm round. He needs to keep.
Come on, John, you know what you're doing. Right hand. I thought that's the best thing.
He needs his right hand through, which is that's okay.
Down him in bloody knots. That's what he's doing. John.
Oh,
How it's Nick that you have to tell to keep breathing, isn't it? Nick stops breathing when he's fighting.
I did.
One little bit. Yeah. Oh, I did as well.
I did in my first fight when I got choked out. He fought that off very well, JT there. Good.
Well done, John.
Unlucky.